What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. So the 2007 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition, four-wheel drive with the 4.7 liter V8 is done. The new axles put in, new drive shafts, or CV axles. There's one of this new CV axles. All the plumbing's done. You guys may have seen the previous video where I showed it just didn't have its tires. And I showed installing those caps for the CV axles with the skid plates are back on. Drive shaft is reinstalled. Truck has about 200 miles on it already. There's the differential right there. Nice and pretty and shiny. No leaks. No noise. It's actually extremely quiet. The locker works. There's still actually air in the system, and I just got done putting the grill on about 5 minutes ago. So this is what the grill looks like now. You guys may have seen all the TikTok videos of me painting the grill, but this is what it looks like on the truck. I like it. I like that it got rid of all the chrome and it doesn't look so gaudy. My buddy Will from JK Canvas, he says it's a DeLorean grill. The guy from Star Wars. I'm pretty sure I'm saying the name wrong, but the Mandalorian. That's what it is. He called it the Mandalorian grill, but it looks pretty good. It stands off against the red paint, but it's not like too much. The black looks good. You know, it stands off against, it accents the ram guard and, the tires and the steps and the roof rack. And I'm going to be getting a Sherpa roof rack for this truck. And I'm going to get it powder coated black. But, it looks pretty good. I do like the hint of the bronze. Looks really nice on the truck. You guys give me your thoughts. This is I call her Ruby, but she has the salsa red paint with the gold metallic flake. But I think the grill looks really nice. It is fixed, meaning that the issues with the grill is fixed. So I tighten it up against the hood, and the grill does not. The grill doesn't rock or bounce anymore. It doesn't do this anymore. It actually firmly sits on the bumper with no issues. It doesn't rock at all when you lift the hood or anything like that. So if I pop the hood, it releases the hood, but then there's also a latch on the grill. There's a latch right here, which releases the hood completely. And lift the hood up. The grill doesn't bounce. It's actually nice and stiff. All the little fancy little acorn nuts are put back on. And this is mounted back on and everything. I replaced the clip. So just some info for you guys. Toyota does not sell this mount right here. This release mechanism separate from these little plastic clips. So what I had my Napa rep do is to just order a door clip, a plastic door clip for a door handle, an interior door handle, and it will work on the same. These clips are about $5 a piece, not a big deal. Toyota wants this bracket, this mechanism bracket, and this rod. They want almost $200 for it. And I'm like, no. And I told my Napa rep on the phone, just give me a couple plastic lockable door handle clips from like interior doors for the same year. So if you guys need these clips, contact your Toyota dealer and ask for the interior door clips for the rod mechanisms, and I can show you what the part number is. Part number for these little clips I'm talking about is these little guys. You would attach these to the door. You can see that it's got like a little rod holder retainer. Part number from Toyota is 69759 4Runner-20110. I didn't replace the other one. I actually needed both of them. I just didn't replace it. There's one at the very top as well. So you can see the grill's no longer in here. Because the grill is out here. But, so, it's fixed. The paint came out pretty nice. The grill is nice and sturdy. I'm actually bouncing the hood, touching the grill. So, the grill is secured. So these little clips is what I was showing you the part number for. Just buy the clips. They're $5 a piece. Do not spend $200 on this little metal bracket that mounts to the grill and this little rod. It's not necessary, to be honest, but there's another one of those clips right here. So, I gotta keep in mind to stop pulling the hood up and down from the grill. There you go. The grill's now latched, and then you just push down. So, to stop these grills from breaking, your best bet is to pop the latch, put your hand under here, pull the latch for the grill, and then lift it from the corners. You know, where you have more, your fingers are more touching the hood. When the hood comes up, you can actually lift it from this corner, or any corner. You can even, you know, grab the corner of the hood and lift it up. That way you don't end up destroying the grill. I had to do a lot of repairs to this grill to be able to mount it back on here without having to buy another one. So, this green piece was actually sitting out, like out here where this gap is. It was actually sitting out here. So this whole green piece was coming off. I actually had to repair the whole thing. You can see this side, it popped off again. The glue didn't hold on this corner, but it did hold on the other 5 brackets. So I'm not worried about this little corner falling off. But that's it. The truck's done. The ARB front locker differential's installed. It's super quiet. You don't even hear the differentials there. I'm glad that the diff pinion bearing catastrophically disintegrating didn't cause any damage to my drive shaft yokes or the U-joints. So the front drive shaft's good. So I'm gonna go run over to Lowe's and see if there's any deals at Lowe's. I know there's a few stores doing deals, so I'm gonna take her on another trip. Yesterday I drove her 200 miles without the grill installed, so this will be the first trip with the grill installed. But I will bring you guys along on the next one when the rear differential third member gets here with the ARB locker in it. When that gets here, I'll do some more videos on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And the next project is the lockers need to go into this truck, which I have axles right there for Rose. So Rose is going to get some Toyota factory e-locker axles. And I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all take it easy. You guys enjoy your Friday.